Alright, so I did a post there. I kind of fucked up because I thought I had it in the right spot. I just welded, then tacked it on, okay, whatever. Then I realized one about, like, you know, the typical, not even like 5 fucking minutes. Yeah, the pommel's facing the wrong way. But, to be fair, I kind of like it, not gonna lie. It kind of looks a little endearing. Looks like I put my face up at you. I don't want to be here. Fuck you. That's kind of what it looks like, and I think it's kind of hilarious. Alright, so the only thing I really gotta do next is give this thing a sharpen. Grind the guard into the... I changed my mind. I welded the guard to the sword because it was just jiggling everywhere. Might as well make it safe well before I quench the thing, right? So, yeah. So that's good. I'm gonna make this a double edged, but I might give this thing kind of like this part's gonna be all the way through, and this side's gonna be kind of like the false edge. So, right where here is, you see that little lump about right here? That's probably where I'm gonna stop the edge there. So that's gonna be a long back edge, and that's gonna be a long fucking thing. So yeah, I don't know. I think it looks pretty fucking badass. Actually, I got a sword here. Ow. Fucking. Yeah, so this is my small sword. Weird if you can see it for scale. Oh. It's quite a bit fucking shorter. Yeah, I'm sure you fuckers can tell. This thing's quite a bit longer. Even the handle's longer. All right, cheers.